going on YouTube? I'm just stunned at the moment. Like I'm just lost for words. Like, just lost for words. This is just an amazing place. Just an amazing place. Like, 377 hectares was donated to the Crown back in whatever year it was. I have to go back and read on the sign. This bloke and his family donated all this land, and the huts are still here. And the oldest building was built in like 1806 or 1880 or something. Just the history around here, it's just amazing. Just imagine being here back in World War II days. World War I, World War II days. Like, it's just off tap. Obviously, we can't go in there. It's all locked up by PWS, as per usual. So they're just letting it sit here and rot, not doing anything about it. Can't see much if I put the camera up on the windows and whatnot. Old toilet. Check out that, it's just in good condition. Like, it's good the PWS are looking after it, you know, and no one's here damaging it and whatever, and there's people close by that look after it. I'd love to see PWS let the locals like go through and see the history, like Steps did when I met Anne Thwaites, which is Jack Thwaites' sister, daughter, sorry. And the old ploughs for the farm. So I'll take you up here. I'm just a little bit hectic because I've just seen a big black tiger. Big boy. Big boy. Looking right at me. Fuck off, don't come over here. Oh, under there, that's where he's going. Fuck, he's big. Tiger, snake and a hawk. Anyway, as we're coming up to this though, check out, this is like an old soldier house. So when people come back from like the World War I, World War II, World War I it would have been obviously. This is like a little place for them to stay and get back into work or something. I'll take a photo of that and leave that at the end for you to read as well. But check out the shingling on this little barn. How awesome. And then at the back it's just like an old barn where it's got like the feeding boxes for the horses and cows or whatever. But it's such an amazing place. Soldier settler house built in the years following World War I. It provided a home and a way of life for a returned soldier. The building has also been used as a workshop. Friends of the Woodvine and Parks and Wildlife Service are working to protect the building's original features. I'm trying to stay away from this area because I've just seen a big black tiger go under there. I don't really want to have me back while I'm recording. This old barn, this is pretty cool. But look at all the shingling, the new shingling. So someone from PWS or someone's repaired it and restored it. Looks good because they've got run that silver capping down it. Looks good. And it's just a big barn over here. It's like an old feeding trough and stuff like that. So yeah. Oh. Long, Oswald Charles Bertram. Born 6th of June 1885, died 22nd of October 1885. 12th child of Daniel and Elizabeth Long. Absolutely amazing. Awesome. So if you ever get a chance, come down here. Come and bring some lunch down here. Don't bring no dogs here though, please people. There's a lot of animals here. Just come down, have a little bit of a lunch and kick back. It's just absolutely beautiful up here. It's amazing. Right, sweet. There's no point of me showing you the windows and all that in there because you can't really see anything. It's the same with that one, so you have to be here to look at it. Yeah, I'm just going to wrap it up. Shout out to Olaf from our new member for Mountain Huts Preservation Society who told me about this. So thanks for sharing this with me, dude. I'm going to wrap it up and just take some photos. Thanks for watching. Leave me a like. Woodvine Homestead. What a beautiful place.